A ball of mass 0.16 kilograms is moving forwards at a speed of 0.50 meters per second. A second ball of mass 0.10 kilograms is stationary. The first ball strikes the second ball. The second ball moves forwards at a speed of 0.50 meters per second. What is the speed of the first ball after the collision? The two balls move separately after the collision, so this is an elastic collision. Based on the principle of conservation of momentum, total momentum of two objects before a collision is equal to total momentum of the two objects after the collision. In this case, the total momentum of the first and the second balls before the collision is equal to the total momentum of both of the balls after the collision, which is represented by m1u1 plus m2u2 equal to m1v1 plus m2v2. The m is mass, the u is initial velocity, and the v is final velocity of each ball. You already have all the info, except the final velocity, v1 of the first ball after the collision. Solving the equation, you will get the final velocity of the first ball, 0.19 meters per second. The answer is B, 0.19 meters per second.